Hello everyone, Namaste, welcome to Nandu's cookbook. Today's recipe is simple, quick and delicious methi dal. Let's get started with the recipe. Heat up pressure cooker, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Once the oil heats, add mustard seeds and dry red chilies for tempering. Once the mustard seeds start spluttering, add crushed garlic, 3 to 4 crushed garlic cloves. Add quarter teaspoon of asafoetida and saute it in medium flame. Now add roughly chopped onion. Saute it again. Add 3 to 4 green chili seeds. Add rinsed and chopped Fenugreek leaves or Methi. Cook till the raw smell goes. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chilli powder. Add finely chopped tomatoes and cook till the tomatoes turn soft. Now add salt as required. Once the tomatoes turn soft, add 1 cup of rinsed tur dal and stir it. Now add tamarind extract. I have taken marble sized tamarind. Now add enough water. Close the lid and pressure cook it in medium flame for 4 to 5 whistles. Wait till the pressure goes. Now open the lid and the consistency should be as shown in the video. Now the delicious methi dal is ready to serve. Goes well with rice and chapati. So friends, try out this recipe. Hope you liked my video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe Nandu's cookbook.